quiet, Clover. Can't you see I'm hiding from my parents? Is it possible to be loved to death?
Just say the word, handsome.
Knock, knock.
Huh?
Anyone home?
It's the parents. Wait, I know they will. No!
Julien, there you are. I thought we were meeting down at the Cove of Wonders to find you a new wardrobe.
I wish you had never given birth to me. Oh, sorry, hello. Sounds great.
Hi, yeah. Have you picked a date yet for when you're going to be, leaving? Because I know originally you were...
Oh, yes, about that. We've decided to make our stay permanent. We'd have to be dragged away against our will if you wanted to get rid of us.
Family.
You want me to kidnap your parents?
Yes, it's the only way. Clover! No! Don't want to hurt them. I just want them fake kidnapped and scared. Then once I fake rescue them, they'll be too terrified to stay here in this dangerous kingdom 1 minute longer.
Oh, hooray! Dorothy, show them your backward slow-mo. Look, she's running! And I'm a tree, a mighty oak! And now, I'm a willow in the wind!
I don't get it.
Me neither. What are you playing at?
Clover, Mort, both of you calm down. This is why we are here. Ted, Dorothy.
Huh?
I have a job for you.
I'm going to be in charge. Got it? All right, listen up.
I'd like to solve the puzzle, Clover.
This isn't a game show.
Yes, ma'am.
You betcha.
Yeah, sure, I'm totally listening and stuff.
I brought the glove.
Good idea, Mort. No fingerprints.
Right. Fingerprints.
Oh, Barty. Do you know who I got a letter
I think one of my ribs is trying to leave my body. Get in here! Where do you think you're going?
These are not my parts!
What's going on? Come and save Mama, baby!
Oh, that's it!
I'll handle your parents. Personally.
Oopsie.
Looks like somebody had a really crazy party.
It looks like Clover actually did it. She fake-napped my parents. Now all we have to do is find where she stashed them, set them free, and they'll be convinced to leave forever. And... Mort, take your pained moaning and groaning outside. You know the rules.
It's not me. I took care of my rib problem. I'm all good. Clover! King Julien, there's a note.
Huh? Julien, greetings, my nemesis. It's Carl, and I have your parents. If you ever want to see them alive again, follow the directions to my lair, which you will find in this fun pop-up book. I designed it myself. I hope you like it. Oh. Oh. That is kind of nice. There's another one. Oh, so fun.
And I walked right up behind him and tapped him on the shoulder. And it was Pancho. But of course I wasn't looking for Pancho. I was looking for...
Please make it stop! Wake up, Clover! Wake up!
You see, I had borrowed horse salad fork. But I really wasn't making a salad, even though I did need a salad fork. And Horse was the only guy who had one. And... Carl!
Where's Carl? What happened? Where's King Julien?
No idea. I did find this note, though. It's Carl, and I have your parents. If you ever want to see them alive again, follow the directions to my lair. I mesmerized it.
All right, let's go. As soon as the floor stops spinning.
We'll send you a postcard.
Bye, my dearest!
We love you.
Bye, Mommy! Bye, Daddy! Bye-bye! Well, now that they're gone, things can finally get back to normal around here.
King Julien, and guess what? No more bells. Isn't that great?
Oh, yeah, great, Maurice.
Games. I'll be your host, Gigi, along with my partner in crime, Horse.
Happy to be here, Gigi. It's gonna be a great...
If Fairtopia wins, I get your kingdom.
King Julien.
Done. And if when my kingdom wins the games, you will go away and never come back or ever bother me ever again. And also, you'll clip your toenails, dude.
Seriously, it's gross.
I can't think with all this groaning. Hans, I can't understand what you're saying, dude. Maurice, get Hans out of here. He's clearly in no shape to be in the games. Whose idea was it anyway to put him in?
King Julien, I found Hans's heart for you.
What am I supposed to do with that? No, Mort, if you want to help, then please get Hans out of here so I can think.
But King Julien...
Now, Mort.
Let's go, Fester. Oh, I should be with my King Julien in his time of need, instead of babysitting Hans. Would you like one of my flowers? Nice weather we've been having. Wouldn't you agree, Hans? Hans, you're a real mensch. Who could that be?
I'm looking for Hans.
Why?
I plan to take Hans' hands and do the first hand transplant out of a cave!
You're going to take his hands?
I might take his feet, too. And I've got a few friends who need some other parts. So do you know where I might find him?
No, haven't seen him.
I'm still here.
I told you, I don't know where he is. That means Snake Doctor is after you, Hans. You have to hide. Nah, that's not gonna work.
Oh!
Scratch, Hans, scratch! Meet me halfway, Hans!
Hello, Mort! Any sign of Hans?
No.
Oh, toilet zombie!
There he is!
A fight's broken out on the field. And is that Hans? Ow!
Stop!
Stop! Stop that hand donor!
The judges have room.
I think we lost him. You have to go, Hans. Far away so he can't find you and take your hands or your feet or any of your other parts. Oh, go! Don't you understand? I'm not your friend anymore. You're just a big, undead dead guy. You mean nothing to me. Nothing! I'm sorry, friend. And watch over King Julien, and also please make me the tallest, handsomest, richest lemur in the world. Sincerely, your friend Mort. Oh, also, world peace, whatever. The end. Thanks, Sky Gods. Who's there? If this is the ghost of Aunt Trudy, I'm sorry, but how was I supposed to know that you couldn't swim? Or climb out of a well? No! And then they held me down, and then they did stuff to me, and some of it tickled. And then I woke up in my bed.
Really, Mort? Aliens? Okay, little fella, out!
What Clover's saying is, why would they abduct you when there's a perfectly good king to abduct? Don't they realize how great it would be to be intergalactic homies with me?
Yeah, that is not what I was saying.
Yeah, I think everyone's point is there must be a logical explanation for what happened to Mort last night. He had a bad dream, he sleepwalked.
The aliens had some sort of paperwork mix-up and tried to give Mort their advanced space technology instead of the king. I'm all about them lasers, dog. Beep, 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 beep.
There are no aliens, Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Terribly sorry. That came out a bit louder than I intended it to.
Clover is correct. Unlike the sky gods and sea monsters and psychically moving things with your mind, aliens are make-believe.
If I didn't get abducted, then where did I get this?
Mort, did you shave your butt again?
The aliens did it! This time.
Whoa! Killer manscaping, Mort! Way to keep your grooming game tight! Wow, you could eat off that thing!
This confirms nothing.
Masikura, look into Mort's brainy parts with your psychic lizard voodoo. What is it? What is it? Come on! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, I got to see this!
Hey, that tickles! Wait! I didn't say stop! Get back to work!
Your Majesty, are you all right?
That was so messed up. That something so cool happened to Mort instead of me. Oh, there's so much great stuff on that spaceship, you guys. Alien technology that will completely revolutionize the electronic dance music scene around here. It's like some next level. Oh, I'm getting lightheaded.
So your reason for making alien contact is for better techno music?
Well, yeah. And maybe meet a cool alien best friend to eat candy with or go cruising around in a tricked-out space hoopty. Clover, let's make this happen!
I'll stake out Mort's stump tonight.
No. I don't want Johnny Law poking around in my pad.
And I will stake out the stump as well.
Ooh, I'll make hummus.
If the aliens come, let me do the talking. I'll simply explain to them that they're focusing on the wrong lemur when the perfect abductee has been right in front of them the whole time. Now hide!
Guys?
Yes, Mort.
I'm too excited to sleep.
Then pretend to sleep.
Okay. Oh, I'm too excited to pretend to sleep.
Go to sleep!
Clover, are you hurt?
That wasn't me.
Oh yeah, aliens! Show the king your space goodies! When I get on that ship, I got shotgun! No take the back leg!
Oh my God!
Mort's been taken!
Again? I mean, just... Timo, let's use your science magic to contact the aliens. Clover,
King
you're...
Julien?
Now, Masakura, I'm on a roll. Clover, you're in charge of defending the royal secrets from the haters, both foreign and domestic.
On it! What should I do, King Julien?
Not now, Mort. Mort?
How did you escape?
And what's on your ear?
I don't know. I think the aliens gave it to me. The blinking light's a little tacky, right? But I didn't get a gift receipt.
Aliens are accessorizing you?
Mort, where did your magical medallion really come from?
This isn't magic at all. This is technology. I might be able to patch into this.
Do your thing, Timo. I don't want Mort to be the only one with space bling.
Ah, so luxurious. Ooh, boxers and briefs? My King Julien is full of surprises. Whee!
I can't believe the aliens took Mort! Again! So unfair!
I think I've patched into Mort's tracking tag. This should be a live feed.
Nope, don't need to hear any more of that. Can you locate him, Timo?
He's being held somewhere in here.
Which explains how the aliens found him in King Julien's hut.
Alleged aliens.
I say we locate where they're holding Mort, and we bust in there and end each and every one of them with our bare hands.
Too dangerous. I suggest sending the superstitious lizard in first. You're right, that was over the line. Anywho, Masakura goes in, gets the lay of the land, and locates Mort. Then Clover enters silently for the extraction.
Yes, and I make a great first impression with the aliens. Charming, without being too try-hard or eager, you know. Smooth. Whatcha? Which is why I need some FaceTime with them. Okay, peoples, we got a real mission now.
This should lead us right to him.
Then let's get this search party started, y'all! What?
Mort should be in there. Am I the only one out of breath? Pretty sure this is the most I've ever moved.
Everyone knows the plan, right? Masakura, camouflage yourself.
Mommy! Die, alien scum!
Wow! Yay!
Hector, come on, buddy! That could have hit someone important. Also, I'm supposed to be the wild card. Stepping on my bit, man.
Now, we just need to get rid of this.
Bet this is gonna burn on the way out.
Clear. No sign of anyone.
Great. And I'm gonna mess around with all the expensive-looking alien junk I don't know how to use.
Your Majesty, we don't know when they'll be back. We need to...
Timo, what does this button do? Is it a tracking beam?
I wouldn't touch that.
I would.
Come on, we really should get out of here.
Timo, where's the photon torpedoes?
Mommy, you're alive? Where have you been?
Here, in this field biology laboratory, living amongst the human scientists.
Human?
Humans are a species of large, hairless ape that invented many gadgets, but is otherwise completely stupid.
Dummies! How did this get in my butt?
King Julien, please be careful.
Nope.
Eventually, I realized I could do good here.
Pretend I'm not even here.
Seriously? You let your own kid think you were dead! I mean, who does that?
Yeah, for real, Helen.
We need to evacuate the premises now!
Not now, Clover. I'm trying to find some black holes. Space freaks! Ambassador of Earth down here! Greetings, aliens! However you guys say it. I never studied that, so...
Your Majesty, let them go!
Not now, Clover. I'm ambassading. Now, let's talk alien technology. I want to be able to teleport. Is that something you can help me with? This is what passes for intelligent life forms? Yeesh. Bad news, everybody. These aliens are duds. Okay, look. Here's the deal. Stop abducting Mort. Okay, that's one. And B, don't come back until you have some better alien technology to blow our mind spaces. Step up your game, space freaks!
My hero.
Don't make it gross, Mort. Okay, let's blow this joint, peoples. Hector, wrap it up. Yes, my peoples, I have confronted the aliens and showed them who's boss. My peoples?
Could it be some sort of mass extinction event?
Do not be ridiculous. They were obviously raptured to the Sky God's palace in Frankrala. Why didn't you take me, Frank? Why did I get left behind?
Something tells me they haven't gone anywhere.
King Julien, you're alive? We survived the alien invasion, y'all! We survived it! I've never felt so alive!
This bunker party is off the chisel, Momo!
What are you doing?
My kingdom doesn't have spirit because they never had a war to bond them.
I don't think starting war is a very good idea.
That's right, Maurice. It's a very great idea. Now help me decide who to go to war with. Nope, too dangerous. Nope, too dangerous. No. I love those guys. Aren't they extinct? No. No. Oh, yes, perfect. I will start a war with the butterflies. We can totally take those guys.
May I remind you that your people probably won't support a war with a peaceful group of flying insects who never did us any harm?
Oh, yes, they will, Maurice, because that peaceful group of flying insects will strike first. Hurry up, Maurice. We don't have all day.
Why are we doing this again?
We're framing the butterflies for an attack in order to unite my peoples in support of a war.
Ah, I've been reborn as a butterfly.
Perfect. Disturbing, but perfect. Now hold this.
I'm flying!
Your little help here?
Don't just hang there, Mort. Remember, you're a mean little butterfly.
I'm a mean little butterfly.
Julien, I don't think I can hold it much longer.
Sure can, Momo.
Hey, Dorothy, watch this move. I call it the full diva.
Yeah, that's nice, Ted.
Say, why is that fat butterfly throwing fruit at us?
Because I'm attacking you!
Yeah?
I'm starting a war! War? We're all gonna
Oh, no! Get Julien!
Not now, Maurice. Can't you see I'm busy standing here watching? Maurice, did I tell you to let go? No. No, I did not! Ted, who did this to you?
It was a butterfly, King Julien. An unusually large, strange-looking butterfly. Oh, its face was so horribly ignorant.
It was a butterfly.
Oh, a butterfly?
Now, Clover, I know you're going to say that doesn't make any sense.
That makes complete sense.
Well, there was a time you made me go up with Fusi.
Oh, hey, there's Mort.
Look, King Julien, I designed it myself. Red, white, and feet.
Not bad, Mort. Glad to see your lemur spirit is coming out, even if it is a little creepy.
Fighting. Combat. The war.
Won't be any fighting. Fighting in a war. Did you hear what she said, Maurice? War is good for my people. Look.
That may be, but what do you think's gonna happen when the butterflies hear that we're at war?
What was that? Wait, what did Maurice say?
Nothing, he said nothing.
You framed the butterflies for the water slide attack in order to start a war, didn't you?
Technically, Maurice and Mort did.
Really?
What?
But don't worry, Clover. The first rule of war is never tell your enemy you're at war. Duh! The butterflies will never know. Look, Maurice.
Mort?
A flower. Beauty. Living amidst the destruction and ashes like a rose in concrete. Respect, flower. Respect.
It's just a flower, Your Majesty.
You're right. It is just a flower. But if this little flower can live in peace, why can't we, Maurice?
We were living in peace until you went.
I know what I must do now. They say there's a law of the jungle. Hate your enemy. They say that war is the answer. Come on, guys, please. You gotta listen closely to the flowers on the ground. They got the real answer, and the answer's all around. Come with me to plant the seeds of peace. Together we can plant the seeds of peace. And everybody knows there's power in this flower, and it's called peace. There's motion in the ocean, and it's called peace. There's duty in my booty, and it's called peace. There's a beat on the street, and it's called peace. There's a rumble in the jungle, and it's called peace. There's a goal in my soul, and it's called peace. There's something that rhymes with air in the air, and it's called peace. There's a whole lot of freaky swirling colors, and it's called peace. Oh, hey, look, there's Sage. Hi. And it's called peace. Okay, starting to feel dizzy, and it's called peace. Oh, yeah, gonna boss, and it's called peace. Okay, song's over, stop singing. That settles it. I'm inviting the butterflies and the crocodiles to a peace summit. I offer you this flower as a symbol of peace. I hope you will take it, and we can put an end to this war and go back to peaceful peaciness.
The butterflies are not interested in peace.
Okay, well then, not to split hairs or anything, but why did you come to a peace treaty then if you didn't want peace? You see what I mean?
Because I wanted to see your face when I declared all-out jungle war! I assure you, I will win, and when I do, I will take over all of Madagascar! It will be mine! All mine!
Oh, did not see that coming.
Finally, she's gone! Thank you, King Julien. Thank you.
Okay, out of my way. Dangerous flora. Coming through. Stand clear.